Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Infitech. In this video we are going to solve a small problem related to arrays in C++. So basically the problem is we will be given an array, so we have to move all the negative array numbers to the beginning and all the positive numbers to the end of the array. So this will be the input array. So we have to take all the negative elements and we have to keep it in the beginning of the array and all the positive numbers to the end of the array. So this is what we are going to solve today. So basically to solve this problem we are going to make use of the two pointer approach. So we are going to take two pointers, left and right pointer. So the left pointer will start from the start of the array and the right pointer will start from the end of the array. So we are going to analyze and we are going to solve this in 4 steps. So the first step is going to be if the left element is if the both the left and right elements are negative, then we can say that the left element is at position and the right element is should be positive, right? So since the left element is at position, we are going to increment the left pointer. And at the second case, if the left element is positive and the right element is negative, we are going to swap the left and right pointers. And if the left and right elements are positive, that means the right element is at position and the left element is not. So that's why we are going to decrement the right pointer in this case. So again, at the last case, if the left element is negative and the right element is positive, which is correct according to our question, so that's where we are going to increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer. So now let's this is how we are going to solve this problem. Let's start with writing the code. So first I'm going to include the IOStream library. So now I'm going to take the array, this array as the input. So okay, now we are going to calculate the size of the array. You can do it size of array by size of array of 0. So this is how you calculate the size of the array. So this size of array gives the memory occupied by the entire array. So let's say this integer takes 4 bytes. So this calculates 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 into 4, 36 by 4. So the size of the array will be 9. So after calculating the size of the array, let's take a function. You can say void settle array. So we are going to pass the array as well as left pointer and as well as right pointer index to this function. So now we are going to call this settle array function and we are going to pass the array, and the left index will be 0 and the right pointer index will be size array size minus 1. Okay, and then we can also so first let's implement the function here. So now we are going to, since we are having this left and right pointer indexes, so we will only iterate to the array within a while loop with the given condition. We are going to say, so we are going to run this while loop only if the left pointer does not overtake the right pointer. That means we have to say if left pointer is less than or equal to right pointer, then we are going to run this array. So we're making sure that both the pointers are not at the same element. So now we are going to implement these 4 steps. So first we are going to check if array of left pointer and if array of left is less than 0 and array of right is less than 0. So if both the elements at left and right are negative, then we have to increment the left pointer, because the element at the left index is at correct position. Since the element at the right index is not settled, we will not decrement the right pointer. And we are going to go with the second step. If the left indexed element in the array is positive and right indexed element in the array is negative, so in this case we are going to swap those 2 elements. So for that we are going to write the swap logic. Array of left is equal to array of right and array of right equal to temp. So after swapping, what we have to do, we have to increment the left pointer and decrement the right pointer. So we are going to go with the third case. In the third case, if the left pointer and right pointer elements are positive, array of right is positive, then we have to, then in this case the right pointed element is at position, and that's why we have to decrement the right pointer. And in the last case, if the left pointed element is negative and the right pointed element is positive, that means both the elements are at a correct position. So for in that case we are going to increment the left pointer and we are going to decrement the right pointer. So this is how we manipulated our array. So just we will write a small function to display the array to the terminal. So for this we are going to take the array itself and the array size also. So now we are going to call that display array function. For that we are going to pass the array as well as the size of the array. So you can just simply print the array element, array of 5 separated by a space. Okay, so this is how. Let's test our code. So I'm going to run this in the terminal. You can say gcc okay. Now I'm going to compile this program with G++, and yeah, so now I'm going to execute this. So yes, as you can see, we have got the output. Cout endl. So as you can see, we have got the required output here: -12, -13, -5, -3, -7, 6. Yeah, as you can see, we have got all the negative elements to the start of the array and all the positive elements to the end of the array. We can also try with changing the input. We can say 122 13 this. Okay, so we are having only two negative elements here, so let us try with this. Yeah, you can see all the negative elements are to the front and all the positive elements to the back. So basically this is how we have solved the given problem using two-pointer approach. So that's it for this video. Thank you.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do, oh yeah. Ooh.